Hey you guys, Chris and I stopped at a BLM land right outside of Moab last night to chill out for the weekend, and we happened to come across this, the Copper Ridge Dinosaur Tracks Monument.
It's out 20 miles or so north of Moab. There's a lot of biking trails here, and it is one of the first places, if not the first place, in the state of Utah that they have discovered uh, dinosaur tracks from 150 million years ago. So we're going to go check them out.
Come with us. Hey babe, what you doing?
Trying to tie up the bikes without being able to tie up the bikes.
Right here at the beginning of the dinosaur tracks. So we have to walk 500 feet up this hill to see the tracks. But check out this cool BLM land. There's a few campers in the distance there. And then if you can see way off here, maybe you can see our Airstream. So you ready to go? Yep. All right, let's do it. Is that a track right there?
Yeah. See, they say that these ripples in this stone are from the old riverbed.
From the old riverbed?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at there. Check that out. So there they are. And right there are the amazing tracks. Come up here. Oh, look, babe. Look at that. This is awesome. Which way are you going? Do you know what kind of bushes these are with these blue berries on it? Juniper. What eats juniper? Berry. Pronghorn. Oh, see.
And that
Juniper, he says.
Anthrolopalissod, whatever it was called.
No, Sauropod, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Anthro. Oh, you're a nutcase. It's very important that we hydrate on these steep trails. Right?
Can I have some?
Oh, you want to stay hydrated too? Yes, you may have some. Hydrate.
Mm-hmm.
And we are hydrating with the best product ever.
Sustain Sport.
Sustain Sport.